Most people get this wrong when researching ServiceTitan. They spend hours comparing features, pricing, and reviews before answering one simple question. Can you actually try ServiceTitan for free before committing? Here's the truth, no one tells you. The answer isn't as straightforward as most software platforms. In this video, you'll learn whether ServiceTitan offers a free trial in 2026, what alternatives are available if there isn't one, and how to evaluate the platform before spending money. By the end, you'll know exactly what to expect. Let's get straight to the answer. As of 2026, ServiceTitan typically does not offer a traditional self-service free trial, like many smaller software platforms. You generally can't create an account, enter your email, and start using the full software instantly, for free. Instead, ServiceTitan usually focuses on personalized demos, consultations, and guided sales processes to help potential customers evaluate the platform. But here's the problem. Many business owners hear no free trial and immediately move on to another software option. That can be a mistake because ServiceTitan is designed differently from simpler field service tools. Think about a company owner like John, who runs an HVAC business with 20 technicians. His operation includes dispatching, invoicing, technician tracking, reporting, marketing, and customer management. Setting up software at that scale often requires customization and onboarding support. That's one reason ServiceTitan relies heavily on demos instead of instant free trials. Now, here's where it gets interesting. A personalized demo can actually give you a better understanding of the platform than a short free trial. During a demo, you can see how scheduling works, how technicians use the mobile app, how reporting dashboards function, and how customer information is managed. This is where most people fail. They attend the demo without preparing questions. Before any ServiceTitan demo, make a list of your biggest operational challenges. Ask how the software handles dispatching, recurring maintenance agreements, technician performance tracking, inventory management, and customer communication. In a minute, I'll show you the smartest way to evaluate ServiceTitan without a free trial. First, request a detailed walkthrough focused on your specific trade. Whether you're in HVAC, plumbing, electrical, or another service business, ask for real-world examples relevant to your company. Second, ask about onboarding costs, implementation timelines, and training requirements. These factors can be just as important as the software itself. Third, compare the platform against your current workflow. Don't focus only on features. Focus on whether it saves time and improves efficiency. So what's the final verdict? ServiceTitan generally does not offer a traditional free trial in 2026. However, they typically provide demos and consultations that help businesses evaluate the platform before making a decision. The key takeaway is simple. Don't judge the software based solely on the lack of a free trial. Evaluate the overall value, support, and fit for your business. If this video helped answer your question, make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment with the software you're currently considering for your business. We'll see you in the next video.